Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are going to be showing you how to make creamy artichoke chicken. Cue the music. All right, well, thanks a lot for joining us. If this is your first time, please do me a favor. Go down, hit that subscribe button, and then hit that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to have me show you how to make creamy artichoke chicken. So let's head over here to our ingredients and see what they are. We got about a pound of some diced chicken thighs that I've got here, 1 can of artichoke hearts, about a third pound of some mushrooms, 1/2 of an onion, 1 small clove of garlic, 1 pint of heavy cream, and we're going to use about a teaspoon of chicken base to bring this all together. Let's head over into our skillet and get this started. All right, this is the same pan that I cooked the chicken breast off. I cooled them and then I diced them up for this recipe today. All that in there is fat from this is because it's chicken thighs. So we're going to use that fat instead of putting oil in the pan to start sauteing this up. So I'm gonna let the pan get a little hot here. All right, we can see that going. Beautiful. Gonna throw our aromatics in there and let those start getting nice. And our garlic. Keep it to a medium to medium-high heat. Stir these up. And we can add our mushrooms in there just as well. Smells good already. Just gonna go ahead and let this saute down. Okay, these have got some heat. They're starting to break down a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and add the artichokes. Now, a lot of recipes will tell you to cut these. I'm gonna tell you right now, they're gonna break down as we're stirring and cooking them, so there's no need to break them down, or cut them. So, again, put the lid on. Okay. Heat's going really well now. I'm gonna add the chicken to this. Let all that get hot. Alright, we have got everything up. Onions are getting translucent, the mushrooms are softening, the garlic has overtaken everything in here. It smells fantastic. Now I'm just going to take our teaspoon of chicken base, drop that right in there. And we're going to stir that in. See, your artichokes are coming apart. Now the heavy cream. Stir that in there a little bit. All right, I have got to turn this down now. You see the bubbles coming. So I am just going to turn this down to about a medium heat. We are going to let this heavy cream reduce and then we'll transition over to the finished product. All right, it is thickening up. I'm going to hit it with a little salt and pepper right now. It's not quite where I want it yet, but it is sure close. So I'm going to let this reduce just a little bit more. Then I'm going to plate it up. I'm going to take some really awesome photos of it for social media. I'm going to put those photos into the timeline of this video with some really groovy music. And then we're going to try this out. So enjoy the music and enjoy those pictures. there it is. Fantastic. It's very hot right now. I'm going to try to taste this, but oh my gosh, the flavor, the texture, it's just got so much going on in there in the way of visuals. You got the artichoke right there. Now if I burn my mouth, don't laugh at me. You can take this in any direction you want to with the sides. Put it over mashed potatoes. Noodles would be good. Rice is definitely one I would do it with. This almost is like a barragoule, artichoke barragoule. I don't have the lemon zest in there or the fresh herbs or the wine, but this comes very close to it. Really good. I'm gonna look and see if I got any rice so I can make dinner. Creamy artichoke chicken. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to share with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.